What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Praying to the Sky by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. So this song is in standard tuning. You're starting with a capo on your 4th fret. You're only using 3 different chords, and if you need the chord diagrams, they are in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's just a very useful resource for beginners, intermediate, even advanced players. It's got all the chord diagrams in there, so if you need that, jump to the description once you get done and go grab it. Like I said, it's 100% free. For now, you're starting with an E minor chord. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then you're going to an A minor, 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And then finally a D chord. It's 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. Now those are the only chords you need to know. They repeat throughout the entire song. This song is played on an electric guitar in classic Pete fashion. It's a sample that he took and, you know, distorted, tuned it all crazy. I'm just showing you the chords for the song, that way you can play along to the song, you can sing to it. The actual guitar part is, like I said, it's an electric part. I'm simplifying it down to where you can just simply play these chords along to the song. So those are the only 3 chords that you need to know. And the strumming pattern is also just a very slow down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. And you're switching from that A minor to the D on the up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That's the way I do it. You can do it however you want. Like I said, this is just seems like the simplest strumming pattern to me. So again, looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.